The Livewell is a vital feature for keeping your bait or catch alive and healthy. To use your Livewell, begin by checking that the Livewell is empty. Use the accessory switch designated for the Livewell to initiate the filling process. Inside, there is a valve or switch with a black knob. This knob allows you to control the flow of water by either holding it or draining it. Take a moment to visually verify that the Livewell is indeed filling with water. Ensure that the valve is open to allow water flow. Be mindful of the water level in the Livewell. Aim to fill it approximately 75 to 80% full of water. It's important not to overfill the Livewell. Once it is appropriately filled, add your fish, ensuring they have enough space to swim comfortably. When it comes to cleaning, make sure the pump is switched off. Then, use the designated switch to allow the water to empty from the Livewell.